everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today we're going to make a heart wreath because Valentine's coming up. First, you'll need some foam papers. That's pink, red, and white. Cardboard, scissors, markers, and probably a ruler. Now let's get started. Yeah! First, you're going to have to cut these into heart shapes. The size of the heart will depend on the size of the ring. It's to cut it out. After cutting out the ring, we're going to drill a hole into it. Next, you'll need a string to put on the ring. That rhymes. Cut off the excess. And tie. Done. Next, we're gonna make patterns on the hearts so it pops out. You can do the same as me, or you could do your own patterns. It's up to you. On this one, I'm gonna make it like a checkered pattern using pink vertical lines. There. Now I'm gonna show you the pattern I used for the white heart. I used all the colors, red, pink, and white. I used one line for red and another line for pink. And the last line for yellow. The final step is to glue the hearts on the ring. By the way, I forgot to mention you need a glue stick. You can arrange the colors any way you want, but I'm just rotating the colors. Doesn't it look pretty? Well, the back side isn't really, but this side I think it is. I hope you can make one for yourself. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day!